Hey guys, how you doing? This is Trucker, and I just wanted to give you a little view of where I'm at. I'm at Ritter Springs Park right now. I'll turn this around so you guys can see what I'm looking at. And this is in Springfield, Missouri. And the date is January 22nd, 2019. As you can see, there's no leaves on the trees because it's wintertime. Wintertime in Missouri, and I just found a cave over there. I'm going to go check out that cave in a minute. Look at this, guys. Is that cave? Let's hope there's no bears in there, huh? Pretty cool though, right? Can't beat that. There's my yummy, delicious girlfriend right there checking out the place with me. Alright guys, I just wanted to give you a view. Ritter Springs Park, Springfield, Missouri, 2019. Make sure you like and subscribe, hit the notification bell.